Hey everybody, good morning. I hope you are having a great day so far. Just wanted to touch base with you, and this is probably a refresher to some, but we're going to go over how to create a course again in Enriching Students. I know that we are filling out the WIN master schedule choices, and then once we get those on the master schedule, then we want to add those to the Enriching Students program. So we're going to go and we're going to click on course. If you look at it, notice that you have your default courses over here. We're going to spend our time over here where it says Staffer's course. We're going to use our naming convention. So here, this is where I'll put my course. I'm going to put Singing 101. My course is going to be held in the library. And I am Mrs. Martin. Okay, so Singing 101 is the course location, and the instructor. Okay. I need to make sure that I have my max number of kids here. I'm just going to put 20. This is going to be enrichment, course room. I'm going to put library. Okay. I'm going to block self-scheduling for now. Of course, the WIN period, that's the only thing you have is the WIN period. You can add an optional description. They also have it now where you can go in and put in like a Google Meet or a Zoom link, but we're not going to worry about that. This is going to repeat weekly. The start and end dates are very important. So I'm going to start on the week of the 2nd. So I'm put here. And then I'm going to end the week of the 20th. And I'm going to say this course is going to be on Wednesdays. And then I'm going to push save. Now, once you push save, notice that your courses are going to show up at the bottom. And currently you have no appointments, but once you guys start scheduling students, then this appointments would show here, and it will not let more than 20 kids. So the max number will only let you schedule as many kids as we have in this box here. Okay. We have it for Wednesday the 4th, Wednesday the 11th, and the 18th. And if there's ever a chance where you feel like you messed up something and you want to start over, real simple, you delete it and you go back through the process. Again, just wanted to introduce to some and refresh to others how to create a course in Enriching Students. Hope this helps. If you need any additional information, you can go to the Enriching Students Professional Development page. You can look at your WIN teacher information. I put some helpful information in there as well, or you can reach out to me via email. Have a great day.